Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set a song as ringtone on a Samsung phone. And if you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is going to work out for any Samsung phone you have. Basically, you want to proceed to open up the settings of your Samsung phone. Now once the settings opens up, you want to just scroll all the way down until you find the sounds and vibration settings. Now over here you're going to see the ringtone option, but if you do not find it, you can use the search bar at the top, search for ringtone. Once you find it, just proceed to tap on it, and then from over here you're going to see some default ringtones that you can actually select for your Samsung phone. But since we want to use a song on our phone as a ringtone, all you just have to do is to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner over here. At this point, you should already have the song you want to set as ringtone on your Samsung phone downloaded and installed. If you do not have yours, there are actually a couple of places you can download royalty-free music or songs into your Samsung phone. One of my favorites is actually the Pixabay website. From their music section, you can actually get royalty-free musics and download them into your Samsung phone so that you can use as your ringtone. And once you have the song you like and want to set as ringtone on your Samsung phone, whether it's from the Pixabay website or any other website you get your song, you should actually be able to find it from over here. But if you do not find it from over here, just click on the folder option at the bottom right of your Samsung phone, and then here you can choose whether it is under the downloads or any other section or folder on your Samsung phone. Obviously, songs you downloaded should be under downloads, so just go over to downloads and you should be able to find all of your royalty-free or any other music on your Samsung phone. Mine is literally over here. I'll go ahead and select it just like so. And once you're done, you just want to click on the done button at the top over here. And basically that particular song has now been set as ringtone on my Samsung phone. So whenever I receive a call now, this particular song will now be used as the ringtone. And that is basically all on this video. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.